Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn 6th standard Geography Unit 2 Land and Oceans. What are the learning objectives in this lesson? In this lesson, we are going to understand the continents and oceans, to learn about the characteristic features of different landforms and oceans, to know about the classification of landforms, to understand the oceans and its features. Let's see one by one. Before entering into the lesson, we have to learn these two important words, Pangaea and Panthalassa. These two words are derived from Greek. The Greek word Pangaea means all the earth. The Greek word Panthalassa means all the sea. This is Pangaea, the supercontinent, and the sea around is Panthalassa. It was 200 million years ago when these land masses moved away from each other to gain the present position as continents and oceans. What makes it to move? Due to internal heat of the earth, the continents move away from each other to gain the present position. The earth is covered by water, which occupies 71%, and land that occupies 29% of the earth's surface. The surface of the earth is not even because it has lofty mountains, deep oceans, and other landforms. These landforms can be classified as first order, second order, and third order. Oceans and continents comes under the first order landforms, whereas plains, plateaus, mountains comes under the second order landforms. Sand dunes, beaches, valleys comes under the third order landforms. Let's see one by one. First order landforms. Continents and oceans are grouped as first order landforms. The vast land masses on earth are called continents, and huge water bodies are called as oceans. There are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest one. Lands were classified into 5 categories in Sangam period: Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal, and Palai. Kurinji has a landform of mountain and its environs, Mullai forest and its surroundings, Marudam agricultural land and its adjoining areas, Neithal sea and its environs, Palai desert region. Apart from continents, there are 5 oceans located on the earth's surface. They are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic Ocean. Among these oceans, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Next, second order landforms. The second order landforms are categorized as mountains, plateaus, and plains. Mountains, a landform that rises 600 meters above its surroundings and has steep slopes, is called a mountain. Mountains are found in isolation or in groups. If the mountains extend for a larger area continuously, it is called a mountain range. These ranges stretch for hundreds or thousands of kilometers. A narrow strip of land which connects 2 large land masses or separates 2 large water bodies are called isthmus. The Himalayas of Asia, the Rocky Mountains of North America, Andes of South America are such examples. The Andes mountain in South America is the longest mountain range in the world, that is 7,000 km. The highest point of a mountain is known as a peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, that is 8,848 meter height. Mountains are the sources of rivers. They provide shelter to flora and fauna. Here, tourism is an important activity. During summer, people go to mountain regions to enjoy the pleasing cool weather. Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Irkad, and Elagiri are some of the hill stations found in Tamil Nadu. Next, plateaus. Plateaus are the elevated portions of the earth that have flat surfaces bounded by steep slopes. The elevation of plateaus may be a few hundred meters or several thousand meters. Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world, so it is called as the roof of the world. The flat topped part of the plateau is called tableland. The plateaus are generally rich in minerals. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is one of the mineral rich plateaus in India. Therefore, mining is one of the major activities of the people living here. The Deccan Plateau in peninsular India is of volcanic origin. December 11 is an international mountain day. Dharmaburi Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau are found in Tamil Nadu. Next, plains. Plains are a flat and relatively low-lying lands. Plains are usually less than 200 meters above the sea level. Sometimes they may be rolling or undulating. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. These plains are used extensively for agriculture due to the availability of water and fertile soil. They are most suitable for human inhabitation. Hence, they are the highly populated regions of the world. The oldest civilizations like the Mesopotamian and the Indus civilizations developed in river plains. The Indo-Gangetic Plain in North India is one of the largest plains in the world. The plains formed by river Kaveri and Vaigai are important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Coastal plains are the low-lying lands adjacent to oceans and seas. The plains have been the cradle of civilizations from the earliest times. For example, the Indus in India, the Nile Valley in Egypt are some of the early civilizations which developed and flourished. Third order landforms. Third order landforms are formed on mountains, plateaus and plains mainly by erosional and depositional activities of rivers, glaciers, winds and waves. Valleys, beaches and sand dunes are some examples of third order landforms. Erosion. Erosion is the process of removal of surface material from the earth's crust. Eroded materials are transported and deposited on the low-lying areas. This process is called as deposition. Next, oceans. The earth looks blue when we see it from space. This is because 2/3 of it is covered by water. The water is found in oceans and seas. Oceans are vast expanse of water. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. As you have studied previously, there are 5 main oceans in the world. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about 1/3 of the earth's total area and spreads for about 168.72 million square per kilometer. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in its west and North America and South America in its east. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The ocean's shape is roughly triangular with its apex in the north at the Bering Strait, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. The Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea and the Philippine Sea are some of the marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand are some of the islands located in this ocean. The deepest point, Mariana Trench, is 10,994 meters and is located in the Pacific Ocean. The chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean called the Pacific Ring of Fire. If Mount Everest, which is the highest point 8,848 meters, was plugged into Mariana Trench, still there would be 2,146 meters of water left. The depth in meters from mean sea level is denoted as m. The Spanish navigator Ferdinand Magellan named the ocean Pacific, meaning calm or tranquil. Next, the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the earth. It covers 1/6 of the earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square per kilometer. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Like the Pacific, it stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S. The Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and the western hemispheres. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. It has the depth of about 8,600 meters. The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Gulf of Guinea, and the Mediterranean Sea are the important marginal seas of the Atlantic Ocean. St. Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland, and Falkland are some of the islands found in this ocean. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the Earth's surface. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square per kilometer. It is named after India. It is triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and the Reunion Islands are some of the islands located in Indian Ocean. Malacca Strait connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Park Strait connects the Bay of Bengal and Park Bay. The Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf, and the Red Sea are some of the important marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. The Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. The Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica and it is enclosed by the 60 degree S latitude. It covers an area of 21.96 million square per kilometer. It is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Oceans. The Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea, and the Davis Sea are the marginal seas of this ocean. Farewell Island, Bowman Island, and Hearest Island are some of the islands located in this ocean. The water in this ocean is very cold. Much of it is covered by sea ice. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench, with a depth of 7,235 meters. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It covers an area of 15.56 million square per kilometer. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea, and the Barents Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Greenland, New Siberian Island, and Novaya Zemlya Island are some of the islands located in the Arctic Ocean. The North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean, which is about 5,449 meters in depth. Let's go for a quick summary of this lesson. Landforms are classified into three main categories: first order landforms, second order landforms, and third order landforms. Continents and oceans or comes under the first order landforms. Mountains, plateaus, and plains or comes under second order landforms. Valleys, beaches, and sand dunes or comes under the third order landforms. There are 5 major oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Thank you.